Hi, welcome. To access the form, click Start Form button. Then fill up all the fields like roll number, name, father name, choose grade. You can also add image by clicking on image icon that will add image, and it will be saved in custom location. Now here this is a fee calculator that will sum up all the fees entries and gives total. You can put fine, if the fee has been paid late. Also you can add your own custom fee by specifying its name and amount. Now click Submit to add data to your database. You can access your photo from Drive folder and you can see it is auto-renamed as roll number in this case. You can also search data by roll number. Also it shows message that it has no picture. You can have its print by clicking on Print Slip button and choose location to save. You can see it is not showing picture here as this data was submitted without picture. Now I search data whose picture has been saved, and when I give its print it will now show picture in the print. Now here you can see that it will not accept duplicate roll number. And roll number should be a number and name should be alphabets and no fields should be empty. It only submits valid data. Now we close form with red cross button that will ask for confirmation before closing the form, and at last you can see specified other fee as comments that you have mentioned in form entry.